Hello, it's Monika from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and it is time for hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. In March, we're going to create an interlocking fancy fold. I'm going to show you how to create a DL size, really quick and simple. First, we need to create a card base measuring 8 by 9 and 3/4 white card. I'm going to score it at 1.5 3 inches, then 6 3/4 of an inch, and 8 1/4 of an inch. Or you can do score it at 1.5 3 inches, then rotate your card 90 degrees and score it again at 1.5 3 inches. This one is the quickest card base you can create. Now it is time to fold and burnish the score lines. If you haven't heard about hashtag FFC Challenge 2023, it is hosted by Monika PaperMona. There are other crafters taking part in this collaboration, including Katarina, Denise, Sabine, Jenny, Kerry, and Robin. And I left the links to the YouTube channels and videos in the description down below, so go and have a look. Now it is time to embellish the inside of the card. I'm going to use Happiness Collection from Lemon Crafts. It is a Polish brand, and I got this set last year. I went to a craft fair in Poznań, created by Crafty Molly. Now I'm showing you which elements I'm going to use to embellish the front of the card, but inside as well. This collection has some very beautiful colors that make me think about spring. At the moment, I really can't wait for some spring. We had a very long and amazing winter in Poland, but I would really like a little bit of sunshine and warmer weather. I'm also going to use that beautiful pink design with polka dots and the green one with the ribbon you can see here. Really, really gorgeous. Have you ever used a Polish brand design papers? Please let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to start with the gold card measuring 3.5 by 7 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to apply it here and assemble it inside of the card. And the design paper measures 3 1/4 by 7.5 of an inch. As you can see, all the elements are going to match on my project. If you've never ever created that interlocking fancy fold, I really hope you'll feel inspired and create your own version. Because as I told you, Monika, PaperMona, Katarina, Denise, Sabine, Jenny, Kerry, and Robin are taking part in this collaboration. Now I've got 4 panels measuring 1 1/4 by 7 3/4 of an inch using the same gold card I used to create the middle element. And this way all the elements are going to match. And please have a look at our Facebook group where we share our fancy folds there as well. And I left the link in the description down below. Now I've got 4 panels measuring 1 inch by 7.5. So I'm going to place it here evenly to have the beautiful gold frame here. I really like how those design paper elements work with that gold card. How often do you use gold cards in your card making? Please let me know in the comments down below, because this week I had to get another set of gold card because I literally ran out of it. Now it will be time to create some elements for that interlocking mechanism. In this collection that I showed you, as you can see, there are some elements that I fussy cut, and they will work really well here. However, if you want, you can also create your own panel. So the bigger one is 3 1/4 by 5 inches, and the smaller one is 2 1/4 by 3 inches. Here I'm looking how to place them on the card, and I'm going to apply the liquid glue only on the left hand side here, because we really want that mechanism to move. And with the smaller element, I'm going to place it as much as I can to the right hand side. And I'm only going to apply the glue on the very edge because this way it's going to interlock with the bigger element. Have you ever created that fancy fold? Please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget that we also have that Facebook group where you can check all our fancy folds we've created so far. And yes, we do have quite a lot of them. I also fussy cut some other elements to decorate the card, and I also die cut the name of the recipient using that Craft a New Design cutting die set using the same gold card. As you know, this is my totally favorite alphabet cutting die set. I use it nearly for every single card I create. Here I'm going to place it first and then apply a little bit of glue, get the excess off using my hand, and then stick it on that element. And I'm also going to give it a little bit of dimension using double-sided foam adhesive because why not? If you do like fancy folds, I really hope you will give this one a go. And together with Monika, Katarina, Denise, Sabine, Jenny, Kerry, and Robin, every single crafter created a slightly different fancy fold. So go and check all the videos. I'm pretty sure you will be absolutely amazed what you can create. And these cards are super fun to create. They are very special and interactive as well, which I absolutely love. So now the name of the recipient is ready, and then I decided to use one more element from this collection. Again, I'm going to use some double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension. And then I thought what's really missing here is to add even more elegance to this card. And I decided to use couple of pearls because I thought why not? I think gems would be a little bit too much bling here. That's why I'm going to use some pearls. Please let me know if you prefer gems or pearls for your projects. I'm really curious about your thoughts. Here I decided to use some pink ones, 3 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side at the top. The card stands proudly on a flat surface and it folds flat. And what's really good about this card, you can add some more elements inside, but you do have plenty of space to write your message on the back. And the cut is complete. Super quick, simple, and very effective. So don't forget about our hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. In April, we're coming to you with a different fancy fold, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting! Bye for now!